Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, get everything you need to know in 90 seconds to 9 o'clock, including important news out of China today. In a report out overnight, the International Energy Agency says that China will almost double its demand for natural gas over the next 5 years. That will seriously shake up energy markets and drive new exploration. India is likely to be a big buyer too. Stories like New South Wales' imminent 17% price hike may become common. China's inflation accelerated in May to 2.5%, the fastest pace in 4 months. Food costs were the main driver, while a decline in factory gate prices moderated. However, it still remains well below the government's full-year target. In the US, an official survey of hiring and new job openings has them at a level not seen since September 2007, and hiring is at fastest pace since June 2008. US Treasury 10-year bond yields are up another 3 basis points in trading in New York today. Those rises will likely flow to the New Zealand swap markets. That US Treasury yield is now 2.64%, following an overnight auction of 3-year notes that saw rising yields as markets accept that the US economy is now firmly in expansion mode. Interest rates might be rising in the US, but they're certainly falling in Europe. The AFR is reporting that the ANZ Australia has borrowed at 1.25% from there, raising the prospect of cheaper mortgages. Although the oil price rose above $105 a barrel overnight, it has now fallen back and is basically unchanged from this time yesterday. Gold, however, has risen and is almost touching $1,260 an ounce, up more than $6 an ounce. On the exchange rate, the New Zealand dollar has risen overnight on growing risk appetite. It starts today at 85.2 US cents, 91 Aussie cents, and the TWI is at 79.5. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.